look so upset. What's wrong?
Hi Gary, forget about it. My folding door handle is broken in my bakery. I'm really regret that I didn't buy a high quality one.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear about that, But I'm always using HOPO handle. It's very good quality.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Please tell me more.
Of course. You see, it's this kind of handle.
Wow, the handle is beautiful.
Yes, and actually this kind of handle can be used on casement door and folding door.
That's great.
Yes, and this handle is set free. It means this handle can be loaded all directions. And if your door is double sashes, then if for left door you can do like this. For right door you can use like this.
Wow, it's very convenient.
Yes, and if you are a window factory, then it can help you to save your inventory very much.
What if I want to install my screen door?
Oh, it's a piece of cake for HOPO. No, they already have a solution. Normally, you can use this kind of handle on double sides, but if you want to install a screen sash, then for another side, you can use this flat handle. No, see, it's very flat, right?
Yes.
And it can leave enough space for you to install a screen door here, right?
Wow, HOPO is really considerate.
Yes, and what's more, this kind of handle doesn't fade easily.
Yeah.
You know why? Because the finishing is anodized. And what's more, actually this handle have many different colors for you. For example, silver, black, brown, and dark brown.
So the frame door handle is green in my home. I think the silver color is better. So I want to buy one. So do you know how much?
Oh, I really don't know the price, but I think this time is a very good time for you to buy one because they are having a discount now. So if you want to buy one, then you can contact them on about the information on the screen. Okay?
Wow, nice.
Okay.
Thank you, Gary.
You're welcome.